Looking for a sandwich that's creamy, crunchy, and packed with flavor? Stay tuned because today we are whipping up chicken egg sandwiches. Hey Lemon Kun fam, welcome back to Lunchbox series. If you and your kids love sandwiches, this is going to be your new favorite recipe. Let's get started. First, grab a mixing bowl. We have already boiled 2 eggs. Separate the yolks from the whites. We'll use the whites later. Mash the yolks and then add in mayonnaise, cream, ketchup, a pinch of salt, and a bit of black pepper powder. Mix everything until it is smooth. Now let's add the veggies: shredded cabbage, shredded carrot, chopped capsicum, chopped egg whites, and boiled shredded chicken. Mix everything together until well combined. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to Lemon Kun yet, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Now take your bread slices and trim the edges for a clean look. Spread that delicious mixture evenly onto one slice. And then top it with another slice of bread. You can cut your sandwiches into triangles, a square, or any shape you like. So if you've got extra filling, no worries, you can store it in an airtight jar and refrigerate for up to 3 to 4 days. Here they are, quick, easy, and absolute delicious chicken egg sandwiches. They are sure to be your kids' favorite, packed with creamy, crunchy goodness. If you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow sandwich lover. Now it's time to take a bite. Perfect! Your taste buds are going to love it. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking, keep smiling.